Hi everyone, my name is Andy. My YouTube channel is Andy Amazon Advocate. So today I'm very happy that I got an Amazon student, which is my student. Also, she's a big seller in Malaysia, in Shopee. So maybe I get her to introduce herself first. Maybe Ira can introduce herself and tell us more about yourself.
Okay. Hi. Thank you so much for having me here, Mas Andy. So I'm really excited for tonight. Okay. All right. Okay. My name is Ira, and my background. I was a senior engineer in one of the multinational oil and gas company here in Malaysia, and married to an offshore man as well. So fast forward, after 3 kids, I've decided to quit my job, which I love so much, and I really enjoy so much doing it, just because I want to be home with my kids. So I'm just a regular mom trying to take care of my family and at the same time have a side business in Shopee and Lazada. Because to be honest with you, right, doing business in Shopee and Lazada is really not time consuming as opposed to the conventional offline Facebook and Instagram business. And now I'm the lead trainer for LSM, Lazada Shopee Masterclass in Malaysia. I became trainer because I want to give back, because I have grown so much in Lazada and Shopee since the beginning. So I would like to share my experience, my ups and my downs with other people, especially people like me, a mother, right? So I'm trying to let people see that becoming a mother is just not just as a mother. So we also want to contribute, and we want to contribute something to the world. So sounds cliche, right? But actually, helping other people is also helping me to feel better. Yeah. So yeah, that's it.
I saw your YouTube, not YouTube, I mean your Facebook post about 99. As a matter of fact, just in case anybody doesn't know, Lazada and Shopee always have events like on the 9th of September, 10th of October, 11th of November, 12th of December. Okay, they seem to have a promotion every month, and they get great discounts and everything. And I saw your staff packing your goods and everything and shipping out was like crazy, man. That's very good. I think when you become a business owner, you need to come to a point where you employ people to do the work for you, so they got more time to spend with your family. Okay.
Yeah, true.
I understand that you have been a seller coming to 5 years already. Wow, and time flies. Okay. So you started at 20 years old, is it?
Thank you.
So this, this coming to 5 years, this timeline when you are in, as a Shopee seller, what would you see the most difference between 5 years ago and 5 years now? What is the main differences that you see? Anything you want to share with us?
Okay, basically, when I started with Lazada back in 2016. So it was not as tough as now actually, because there's less competitors, less seller. So, and that time there was only Lazada, there's no Shopee. So in 2016, the prerequisite to become a seller in Lazada, you need to have a company. So you need to be registered as an business. But now anybody can sell in Lazada, anybody can sell in Shopee. So the barrier is, there is no barrier basically. So everybody can sell. So the newcomer that has but I think less sense of business will just come and just throw the price just like that. Yeah. So that's one of the most difference I can see.
As I believe, competition is always here, and it will stay, and it will forever be there. And I think the most important thing, even for me as an Amazon seller, we keep changing. Change is the only constant that we need to change. And I think every platform is having the same thing, more people coming in, more competition, as what Ira has said. But I think most important thing is I believe that you have built a very good brand over the years, right? I believe so, right? And I think when you have a good brand, it's very easy to differentiate yourself from the rest. So even if more people come in, that's fine. Because when the barrier goes down, right, it means that everyone has a fair chance now. You know, compared to last time, you know, you have a company and everything. So now everyone has a fair chance, and fantastic, you know, because everyone has a chance to sell. Okay. So of course, I know Ira has many tricks. Okay. Before, you know, the way you do your research and everything is very, very interesting that not many people knows on how to do it. Okay. Maybe can I ask you one more question here? During this pandemic, right? Okay, I know the answer for myself in Amazon, of course, but in Lazada and Shopee, you know, in Malaysia, okay, did the sales went up, went down, or it's about the same during this pandemic?
I was actually worried, you know, when MCO was implemented, but to my shock, actually, more and more people actually be spending during MCO. I thought they will like save money, but instead we got like 4 times more sales than the usual one. And it's even crazier than 11/11 sales. So the spending habits of Malaysians have changed totally. So everybody spend more time online and they are now willing to purchase online. So yeah, the sales are crazy. You just ask your neighbor, have you been purchasing more frequently online? Definitely, he will say yes. So yeah, it's a good tip for us actually.
Fantastic. It's the same for us in Amazon. As a matter of fact, our business grew up about 300% compared to last year, Black Friday combined. Black Friday and Cyber Monday combined for me.
Wow.
So in terms of your sales, you know, it went up to so much percent and everything, and people tend to buy things online. Just want to check with you, you know, how many staffs do you have now?
About four full-time and one part-time, 5 altogether.
It's a matter of time. You need to increase to about 10 people sooner.
I was actually amazed because during our Independence Day last week, we got like backlog from, because it's a long weekend, Saturday, Sunday and Monday, we got a total about 650 orders. They managed to fulfill within 1 day. So I was so impressed and so thankful to have them. I really cannot do without them.
For my Facebook friends and students, just in case just now Ira was saying about MCO. Okay, MCO is the like a quarantine order in terms for Malaysia. So they cannot movement are restricted and things like that. Okay, so thank you so much for your interview with me. If anyone is interested to know more about Lazada and Shopee, how to sell, okay, not only in Malaysia but also in Southeast Asia, and if you happen to be in Malaysia and you'd like to know more about this, we actually have a master class where Coach Ira will be sharing, you know, on all the ideas and tips on how to do it. And then we have a free 2 hours workshop explaining more about Lazada and Shopee to you. So if you're keen, please go to the link at the below of this video, and we hope to see you there. Okay. So thank you so much, Ira, Coach Ira. Thank you so much. So I'll see you soon. Okay. Cheers, man.
Okay.
Bye.